When it comes to conception, timing really is everything. Many couples think that as long as intercourse happens around ovulation, pregnancy can occur. But in reality, there's a narrow biological window, and once it closes, the chance of conception nearly disappears. Here's the truth: the egg is fragile. After it's released during ovulation, it survives for only about 12 to 24 hours. That's it. If sperm aren't there and ready in that short period, the egg disintegrates, and the opportunity for that cycle is gone. Ovulation itself is the key event in fertility. It's when a mature egg leaves the ovary and travels down the fallopian tube. But what many people don't realize is that you have to think ahead. Waiting for ovulation to happen and then reacting is usually too late. A common myth says ovulation always happens on day 14 of a 28-day cycle. In reality, cycles vary widely. Even women with regular cycles may ovulate as early as day 9 or as late as day 21. That means the old day 14 rule, or simple calendar counting, can easily lead to mistimed efforts. Let's talk about why timing is so tricky. Sperm have a significant survival advantage. They can live for 3 to 5 days inside the female reproductive tract, waiting patiently in the fallopian tubes for the egg to arrive. The egg, in contrast, lasts barely a day. So conception depends not on what happens after ovulation, but what happens before. This is why the real fertile window is the 6-day stretch ending on the day of ovulation. The highest chances of pregnancy come from intercourse in the 2 days leading up to ovulation and on the day itself. In other words, success depends on anticipation, not reaction. Now, can conception happen after ovulation? Yes, but the odds fall rapidly after the first 12 to 24 hours. Some evidence shows that fertilization is most successful when sperm meet the egg within just a few hours of its release. After that, the likelihood drops to almost zero. So, how do you hit this narrow target? Predictive tracking methods make all the difference. Ovulation predictor kits, or OPKs, detect the surge in luteinizing hormone that triggers ovulation, usually within the next 24 to 48 hours. That gives you a vital head start to time intercourse before the egg is released. Another helpful tool is cervical mucus monitoring. When the fluid becomes clear, stretchy, and slippery, like raw egg whites, that's your body's signal that ovulation is near. This change indicates that sperm can travel and survive most effectively. By contrast, basal body temperature tracking, monitoring your temperature rise after ovulation, only confirms that the event has already occurred. It's useful for spotting patterns over time, but won't help you catch the fertile window in the current cycle. So here's the takeaway: if you're trying to conceive, focus on the days before ovulation. Use predictive tools like OPKs or cervical mucus tracking. Have intercourse every other day during your fertile window, especially in the 2 to 3 days leading up to ovulation. The science is clear: sperm longevity gives you the opening of the window, but egg fragility defines the end. Understanding this timing and planning ahead can transform your chances of conception. If you found this helpful, remember, fertility isn't just about luck, it's about timing, preparation, and awareness. Share this to help more couples make every cycle count.